Tuesday's precise and important news. Key infrastructure projects that have been halted will resume. 11 of the key infrastructure projects that have been halted will resume after being appropriated with the budget in 1402 solar year, the Economic Commission decided. AFDA rejects the baseless rumors about the ban on contraceptives. The Food and Drug Administration of Afghanistan rejected reports about the ban on contraceptives in Afghanistan and called it a baseless rumor. Kidney treatment center worth 4 million Afghanis opens in Zabul. The Ministry of Public Health opened the hemodialysis department of kidney treatment at the cost of 4 million Afghanis in Zabul Provincial Hospital. Murcot Mandarin, also known as Honey Tangerine Gardens, on 300 acres of land being built in Nangarhar. Officials of the Canal Department of Nangarhar Province said that 300 acres of state land, which was usurped since several years, has been recovered and would be planted with Murcot Mandarin trees. DEB receives a fresh consignment of $40 million. The Central Reserve Bank, also known as the Afghanistan Bank, has confirmed receiving a fresh consignment of US $40 million as a part of the humanitarian aid of donor countries to Afghanistan. More than 4,000 Afghan citizens returned to the country. The Islamic Emirates Ministry of Refugees announced that more than 4,000 Afghan citizens have returned from Iran over the last few days. Afghanistan cricket team landed in the country. After winning the UAE T20 series on 2-1, Afghanistan cricket team returned home this morning. 2 robbers gunned down in Herat. 2 armed robbers in Herat province gunned down during a clash by the intelligence department of Herat province.